Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fit and healthy. So dear students, in this video we are going to study another chapter that is given on page number 81, chapter number 8, that is allergy. So before studying the allergy in detail, you all know that in standard 6th you have studied about communicable diseases. Communicable diseases means those diseases which are transferred from diseased person to healthy person, and non-communicable diseases are those that are caused due to imbalanced diet or when malfunctioning of vital organs is there, means when our body organs they are not functioning in a normal way. So such diseases that are caused due to imbalanced diet or due to malfunctioning of vital body organs, and such diseases are referred to as non-communicable diseases. And in this chapter you will learn diseases and the symptoms caused due to overaction or hyperactivity of immune system to certain substances that are basically harmless to normal people. So you will study that there are some substances and that are referred to as allergens that cause disease in certain people, but they are normally harmless to normal person. So you should also know that what is immune system. Immune system is the defense system of our body. Defense system means it protects our body from foreign substances, foreign pathogens such as microorganisms like bacteria, virus and poisonous substances. Then is the immunity. Immunity means it is the ability of the body to defend against infections and to provide protection to these infectious diseases. So immune system, it is the defense system and the ability of the body to provide defense against infection, that is known as immunity. Now you should know what is actually the concept of allergy. So you should know the definition of allergy, which is very important, that it is exaggerated reaction of immune system of a person to certain foreign substances that do not bother most other people. Means the immune system of certain people, it is highly overactive to certain foreign substances, to certain substances which are present in the environment. To them, their immune system is highly overactive, and to other people, to other normal people, those substances which are usually present in the environment, that do not affect them all. So a person having allergy is hypersensitive to some substance in the surrounding, means the immune system is highly overactive to a person who is having allergy. It is a person having allergy is highly hypersensitive to some substances which are present in the surrounding when they are in contact with that substance. Now you should know what are allergens, and these substances that trigger these allergic reactions, they are referred to as allergens. So allergy is the exaggerated overactive reaction of immune system to allergens, and allergens, the substances that trigger allergic reaction, that cause allergy, the substances which are present in the environment that cause this allergy, they are referred to as allergens. So allergens are such as pollen grains from grasses, trees, weeds, animal dander. Animal dander means materials which is shed from the animal body, such as fur, feather, hair, which is shed from the animal body, that is known as animal dander. To that also some of the people, they are highly overactive, their immune system is highly sensitive to that substances, to animal dander. Animal dander, again I am repeating, it means It is a material which is shed from the animal body, such as fur, hair, feather. Then after that, some of the people, they are highly sensitive to the saliva and the oil from the animal skin glands, and they develop allergic reactions. Then is the dust mites. So the mites which are present in the dust from mattresses, from upholstery, carpets and curtains. Upholstery means the cloth which is used to cover the chairs. From that there are mites present. To that also some of the people are highly sensitive. So allergy is basically exaggerated reaction of immune system to certain foreign substances. Highly overactive response of immune system to allergens, that is known as allergy. And allergens are the substances that trigger allergic reaction. जो substances allergy cause कर रही हैं, they are known as allergens. And the examples we have studied, they are pollen grains, animal dander, dust mites. Then another allergens are another allergens are mold spores, fungal spores, food substances such as milk, wheat, egg, shellfish, drugs like aspirin, antibiotics, insect sting, sap of certain plants, cosmetics. Some of the person are also sensitive to metals like gold and platinum and strong UV rays and sunlight. So these are the allergens, means the substances that trigger allergic reaction. And now let us see what are the entry route of allergens. Allergens, they enter in the body through three main route, that is through nose while we are breathing, then through mouth whenever we are eating, then also allergens find their way into our body, then is through skin. So this is about allergy and allergens. So that's all for today. Take care everyone.